Hello everyone and welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel, and today we're comparing two powerful finance apps that businesses are buzzing about, and they are Docyt AI and NetSuite. One is a modern AI-driven accountant, the other is a heavyweight ERP system. Let's see which one fits your business best. Let's start with their main focus. Docyt AI's main focus is on AI-powered bookkeeping and accounting automation, while NetSuite is full ERP, accounting, inventory, HR, and more. Let's look at their AI capabilities. Docyt AI automates reconciliation, categorization, and real-time insights, while NetSuite has a strong automation but less AI focused. When we look at who or what they are best for, Docyt AI is best for small to mid-sized businesses wanting AI-driven bookkeeping, while NetSuite is best for medium to large enterprises needing all-in-one ERP. When we look at ease of use, Docyt AI has a simple AI dashboard and has a fast setup, while NetSuite is feature-rich but more complex to learn and set up. Lastly, pricing. Docyt AI has a premium plan but lower cost than ERP, while NetSuite is expensive and has enterprise level pricing. So here's the breakdown. Docyt AI is like a digital accountant, fast, smart, and designed to automate bookkeeping with AI insights. NetSuite, on the other hand, is a full-blown enterprise system. It handles accounting, payroll, inventory, and more, but it comes with a bigger price tag and a steeper learning curve. So what is our quick takeaway? Docyt AI equals smart bookkeeping automation. NetSuite equals full ERP powerhouse. If you are a growing business that needs AI to handle books, go with Docyt. If you are scaling into a big enterprise and need everything under one roof, NetSuite might be your winner. Alright, that's it. Which one would you pick for your business? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more quick financial breakdown. Only here on Twoguysfinance. See you in the next video.